Today I am going to explain question number 3 of exercise 4.2. Here the question is find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Here we need to find two numbers. So we assume first number be x, second number be y. Okay. Solution, let first number be x and second number be y. Given that sum of two numbers is 27. So x plus y is equals to 27. So I can write y is equals to 27 minus x. So we got the value of y. According to the question, product is 182. So product of two numbers is 182. So first number is x, second number is y. X into y is equals to 182. First number is x. So where y is equals to 27 minus x. So substitute y value. X into 27 minus x is equals to 182. X into 27, 27x. X into minus x, that is minus x square, is equals to 182. We'll write x square terms first, okay? Minus x square plus 27x. So I'm taking 182 on left hand side, so it will become minus 182 is equals to 0. So take minus sign common, okay? Minus into x square minus 27x plus 182 is equals to 0. Here minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, okay? X square minus 27x plus 182 is equals to 0. So we need to factorize by splitting middle term method. So first we'll multiply coefficient of x square by last term. Here 1 into, here coefficient of x square is 1. 1 into 182 is equals to 182. We'll find out the factors of 182. 182, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, 13 1s are 13. Multiply 2 into 7, that is 14. 14 and 13 are the factors. So minus 27 is equals to minus 14 minus 13. X square minus 27x plus 1 by 182 is equals to 0. So minus 27x can be written as minus 14x minus 13x, okay? X square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equals to 0. Take x common. X into x, x square. X into minus 14, that is minus 14x. Take minus 13 common. Minus 13 into x, minus 13x. Minus 13 into minus 14, that is 182. Minus into minus plus, okay, is equals to 0. X minus 14 into x minus 13 is equals to 0. X minus 14 is equals to 0. X minus 13 is equals to 0. X is equals to 14. X is equals to 13. If we take x is equals to 14, first number is 14. So second number is 27 minus x. X is 14. So 27 minus 14 is 13. So if we take x is equals to 13, first number is x 13. Second number is 27 minus x. X is 13. So 27 minus 13 is 14. So 13 and 14 are the numbers. Okay.